Hello guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Learn with Hejin Kim. And ito nga, umaga na naman. Actually, madaling araw na. So, expect po talaga na may mga tilaok na ng manok. Anyway, so in this vlog, I'll be showing you what we bought for our daughter. And ito po yung kanyang tatak. Yan, Giorgione. And it also has 48 colors na din. So, very kahit paano affordable po itong watercolor na to kasi we bought this for less than 400 po. So, plus shipping fee na lang din. And it came with a free watercolor paper na size 21 by 12 cm po. So, yung pieces niya sa loob is, I think it's 8 pieces, if I'm not mistaken. So, I'm not so sure ha, pero parang mga 8 ata yun. So, anyway, I'll just put it in the description box kung ilan yung watercolor paper na included. So, this one is for free. Yeah. And let's check the palette or the watercolor palette. And by the way, guys, dun sa mga arts ko before, watercolor arts ko na vlog before, I've been using my very old watercolor, which is prang oval, and medyo gooey yung texture nitong watercolor na to. But, in this watercolor po, sobrang vibrant yung color niya compared dun sa mga nagamit ko. Anyway, so let's set this one aside and let's go back with our new watercolor. So, let's check it. Actually, guys, na-open ko na po ito, ha. Ayan, so, ito po yung cover niya sa loob. So, pag in-open niya siya, ayan, meron siyang ganitong cover. Ni-remove ko lang kasi I'm going to try this on. Ayan, so, it has pencil na din. Ayan, so, pencil po ito. Ayan. Drawing pencil. And then, it comes with a brush. So, ito po is, nilalagyan po ito ng water sa loob. Anyway, meron tong takip. Hindi ko lang alam kung na-misplace ko ba. Kasi na-open ko na to eh. Ayan. Included na yan. And this one po, meron na rin siyang free watercolor na color white. Sa mga mahilig mag-outline ng white. So, ayan. Hindi na kayo mamamroblema, guys. Kasama po ito. Then, what else? It also comes with a brush. Ganyan po yung itsura ng brush. Wait, ayaw mag-focus. Anyway, so, ito po yung tip ng ating brush na gagamitin. So, maganda siya for ma-detailed na watercolor art. Kasi before, I've been using yung mga brushes na makapal yung tip. Kasi wala naman akong ibang gamit sa house. And it comes with a sponge. Yan, kasama na rin. And ito na nga po yung kanyang palette. Ayan. So, iba-iba po yung shade niya. 48 yan. Imagine, with almost 400 pesos lang na watercolor. Maganda na po siya. And tignan po natin talaga kung maganda kasi syempre, before ko ipapatry sa daughter ko, gusto ko ako muna mag-try. Ayan. So, ito po yung mga colors niya. I'm also planning to buy yung watercolor na glittery or metallic and pastel yung colors. May mga nakita akong ganun. Anyway, they sell it for, I think, 6 pieces siya na maliliit na palette. And it's like around 135 to 165 yung presyo niya. Depende po sa tone ng binibenta. So, here, malaki po ito. Ayan. So, here's my oval prang. Mas expensive po si oval prang. And sulit po kasi talaga to. Matagal na talaga siya. Kasi, almost a decade na yung tagal nito sa akin. And, yeah. So, come on guys, let's try it on po.